How many of these tools do you really need to maintain your guitar? Whether you are just starting out or have been playing for years, having the right guitar setup tools is crucial to keep your instrument in top shape. Today I'll walk you through the essentials you'll actually need to make your guitar play and sound its best. Many guitarists believe they need a toolbox full of specialized tools for proper guitar maintenance, but this misconception often leads to confusion, frustration, and wasted money. Let's clear that up by focusing on the essential tools that truly make a difference. The first thing you're going to need when doing a setup is something to prop your guitar neck up with. Whether it's a specialized neck rest or a towel tightly rolled, you'll definitely want something to keep your headstock elevated above the surface of your work area. Doing this gives you better access to your tuning pegs and makes jobs like unwinding or installing strings so much easier. Wait a minute. Did I just rap? I can't rap. Play that back. You'll definitely want something to keep your headstock elevated above the surface of your work area. That was weird. Next thing you need to make your setup a success is a string winder. This tool is an outstanding time saver by allowing you to wind or unwind your strings in half the time. The tuning key slides into the string winder and then you just twist. It's that simple. Not only does this tool aid in winding your strings, but it has a convenient notch here that is designed to remove the bridge pins on an acoustic guitar, making this tool a must-have for any guitar case. Moving right along, this third tool is one I bet you already have at home, a Phillips screwdriver. A Phillips screwdriver is an essential tool to have in your arsenal, but admittedly it does come in handy more for electric guitars and basses than acoustics. Let me explain. Phillips screwdrivers can be used to tighten strap button screws, tuner screws, input jack screws, and even pickguard screws. But why it's more handy for an electric guitar lies in the bridge. A small Phillips screwdriver is used to move each individual bridge closer or farther from the neck for most Strat or Tele style bridges. This process is called setting the intonation. Keeping our focus on the bridge, this next tool is one you may already have, an Allen wrench, otherwise referred to as an Allen key. This small key is used to raise or lower the height of a bridge on most Strat or Tele style bridges by tightening or loosening the Allen screws in the bridge. To adjust this screw, I use a 1/16 or a 1.5mm Allen key. The process to raise or lower your strings to the desired height is called setting at the action. Not only does an Allen key come in handy for adjusting the action on your guitar, but it will also aid in adjusting your neck's relief. On your standard steel string guitar, both acoustic and electric, inside your guitar's neck is a truss rod. Wood naturally expands and contracts. Couple that with the tremendous amount of pressure the guitar feels from the tension of the strings, eventually your neck is going to need an adjustment. The last essential tool you want to have is some guitar polish and some lemon oil fretboard conditioner. Now before you say, I wouldn't call that essential, let me explain. The fretboard is one of the only pieces of wood on the guitar that isn't finished. What does that mean? Unlike the parts of the guitar that have a clear coat or finish on them, the fretboard has no clear coat, leaving it exposed to the air around us, changing climates and pressures, and the oils coming from your hands, with the exception of maple fretboards. The lemon oil fretboard conditioner cleans dirt buildup and grime while soaking into your fretboard and conditioning the exposed wood. This makes your fretboard far less likely to experience cracks and really makes it pop. Finally, at the end of a successful setup, your guitar feels and plays amazing. Shouldn't it look amazing too? A good guitar polish not only brings a vibrant shine to your guitar's finish, but it also wipes away all the dust that you've let accumulate on it. Seriously, it's time to start practicing again. I see it over there in the corner. Now I have one more bonus tool here to show you. I wouldn't call this a necessity, but it can definitely come in handy. This is the Octopus 8-in-1 Tech Tool from Nomad Music. It has 8 different tools that can seriously step up your setup game. It has multiple hex wrench sizes, including 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, 2 1/2-inch, and a 7/16. Additionally, it has both a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, making this tool great for guitars, basses, ukuleles, banjos, amps, and even guitar pedals. Let's do a quick recap of the essential tools that will keep your guitar in top condition. A neck rest or a rolled up towel ensures that your guitar stays stable during any setup, making string changes and adjustments easier. A string winder saves time and effort, especially when dealing with acoustic guitars. A small Phillips screwdriver is crucial for tightening various screws and setting intonation, while an Allen wrench is a must-have for adjusting the action and the neck relief. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of guitar polish and lemon oil. They protect and enhance the natural beauty of your instrument, ensuring it looks as good as it sounds. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll not only extend the life of your guitar, but also enjoy a smoother, more satisfying playing experience. What do you think? Did I miss any tools? Be sure to let me know in the comments. I look forward to hearing your must-have setup tools. By the way, my channel is dedicated to all things guitar tips, tricks, and maintenance. I post new videos every week answering your guitar maintenance questions. If you don't want to miss out, make sure to click the button right here. You'll definitely want something to keep your headstock elevated above the surface of your work area.